Good morning, good morning, good morning. Join me on this tree job. Hope you guys enjoy. Using the 545 today. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ew. That looks pretty clean. I told him that there'd be some damage, but I tried to make it fall as lightly as possible. We can fill that in.
Yeah, just put the dirt back.
I mean, that's the size of the divots we take out at the golf course.
You know, my 500-yard drive, dude, it builds up a lot of force.
500-yard drive? Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm gonna start ripping. Sweet. Looking good. So now I'm actually rocking with this cool little pole saw. Dewalt. Oh, right in the head. Just free up a little room for me. Heck yeah. Man, I am tired. Dragging them out. Love to see it. All right, here we go. Make our way up this tree. Everything's tight. Check the leash. All right, let's make our way up. Damn. There we go, a little tighter. I have such a long leash for the chainsaw because I don't like climbing with like a little bungee leash for at least going up half the tree, because it's kind of a pain, honestly. Like just having that extra little bit of weight, you can definitely feel the difference when you're coming up. I like the safety that little nope's giving me. Just trying to go a little upside down, which is weird, but neighbors are probably like, there's a kid in the tree. Where's his mom at? Yep. You hear that hit my helmet? I might top it from here actually, because I got the stability from this. Okay. That was good. Now this tree is really wobbly. Holy shit. Dude. Long process for me going from that tree to this one. So now we're hooked into this tree. And need some water. Oh, what a dime. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. We're just hanging out here up in the shrubbery. Taking a little bit of a break. Ollie's getting ropes ready down there. Heck yeah. Alright, here we go. Get shit started again. You think that I could hang this one where it just brushes up against the roof? This branch? Okay. Heck yeah. That was a ride. I'm dropping a big piece. So satisfying. Can you grab my saw from me, please? Lowering down. Thank you. Untying. 1 second. All right, you're clear. Good teamwork. Good work today, Ollie.